Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 3.4 and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So let's start, and of course the fingerprint sensor in the smartphone you can find right here on the back. So I'm going to lock the device and then I'm going to put the finger right here for like 5 tries and we are going to check how it performs. So let's go. Okay, here it doesn't detect my fingerprint. Another time. Okay, right now it works. Let's go another time. Doesn't detect. Okay, right now it works. Okay, so right now it works every time, as you can see. So yeah, here we got the 2 times it doesn't detect my fingerprint, but of the rest time it works not that bad. But to be honest, it's not really fast, it just works slowly. And to be honest, it works the same like on the Nokia 5.4, so it's probably the same sensor on the back case right here. So yeah, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.